Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hey trendies, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Hamida and I do cooking and DIYs. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit onto the bell button so that you get my latest notification on update. And those who have subscribed, thank you so much for your subscription. So well, back to the video. I hope everyone's Ramadan are going really well. Eid is stepping next to us, so thought of bringing a new dish for you all so that you can try it on Eid and share your valuable comments. So today's dish name is white chicken dum biryani. So before further ado, let's get started. To make my work easy, I'm slicing the onions on a slicer. So our onions are sliced and it was really very thin in size, so it did a great job. Now just getting the onions fried. Fry it like a caramelized brown color and add all the onions in the oil. So you might think that onions might be too much for this dish. Once you fry, the onion quantity becomes very less. For this dish, we are going to use the fried onions. So the next main ingredient is chicken that I have taken half kg. Then a handful of coriander and mint leaves. That includes 2 chili. Now we are going to roughly chop the coriander and mint leaves. We are going to grind this ingredient in a mixie jar. Now we have grinded into a thin paste. While grinding, I added little bit of curd so that it becomes a thin and a smooth paste. We are going to marinate the chicken by adding 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, lemon juice of a whole lemon. So now meanwhile we are checking our caramelized onions. So now it is really perfect. Draining the oil and taking the onions. Now we have taken all the fried onions. Now back to the marination. Now we'll be adding the masalas. So the first masala is 2 teaspoon of garam masala, 1.5 teaspoon of jeera powder, same 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoon of biryani masala and any brand of your choice, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, salt as per your taste. We are going to grind a paste of cashew nut and a little bit of couscous, nearly a 2 teaspoon of it. Add little bit of water and grind it into a fine paste like this. Adding that grinded paste into the marination. Then adding the first paste that we have grinded, that is of mint, coriander and chili. Now mixing all the masalas and the paste together. After mixing everything, it looks like this. Now adding the fried caramelized onion. Before adding into it, just lightly crush it by your hand. Now the last ingredient to it is the curd. I have taken nearly a bowl of curd. Mix all the ingredients together. The marination process takes at least 2 hours. So just added the cling above it and taking 2 hours for marination. After 2 hours, we are going to cook the chicken. I have taken the same oil that we used for frying the onions. To that adding nearly a 2 teaspoon of ghee. Now we'll be adding the seasonings. That is half teaspoon of jeera, 6 to 7 cloves, 4 to 5 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick that is broken into small pieces, 1 bay leaves that is torn into small pieces. To that adding 3 chilies, which is slightly slitted on the top. Now we'll add the marination. Cook the chicken till it is 50% cooked. Now the chicken is almost 50% cooked. Off the flame and keep it aside. So meanwhile, the other side I have cooked basmati rice. To cook a basmati rice, I have said the process in so many other videos earlier. You can check it. For doing the dum process, I have taken a big utensil. So firstly applying a teaspoon of ghee and spreading all over the utensil. Then I have taken 2 potatoes and I have sliced it very thinly. Now adding those potatoes on the first layer. Trust me, this gives an amazing taste later and helps from protecting any burnt in the rice. Now adding the first layer of basmati rice. Now we can spread the rice all over the utensil. Our gravy has settled down and cooled. Now adding the gravy as the second layer to it. And the next layer again with the rice. Coat the layer of rice in a thin layer. So this time instead of the gravy we'll be adding the fried onions. I have taken a little bit of saffron and mixed it with the milk together. Then adding coriander and mint leaves. So this is the process of adding the layers to the biryani. Keep repeating the process until the rice gets over. I have mixed saffron powder with the rose water, adding it little bit over the top to give a color of yellow, and then garnish it with fried cashew nuts. Then add some ghee on the top. So this is the final look how a biryani is layered. Keep it on dum nearly from half an hour to 45 minutes on a very low flame. Now sealing the rice with the foil paper so that the vapor gets trapped in. You can also use the dough method. Before putting the utensil on the flame, add some tawa to it so that it protects the rice from getting burned. Now after 45 minutes later, I have removed the top lid and now opening the foil paper. While opening the lid itself gave a beautiful smell. I'm taking the rice from the bottom to the top. You can see the potatoes that are well cooked. Really, the biryani was so mesmerizing in taste. While editing, I can still remember the taste how it was. So this biryani was really my own thought of doing it and got a successful comment from my families. So thought of sharing it with you all. Hope you all also will like it, I'm sure. So try this white chicken dum biryani in your house and get some magical comments in your family. I'm sure they would really love it. So I hope you all will like this video and I'm sure that you will share it with your loved ones. So thank you so much for watching. Advance Eid Mubarak to all of you. Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. So I hope you all like this video. Inshallah, we'll be back with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.